This is Buddy right here. Say hey, buddy. Say hey, buddy. Hey. And there's little mama. She loves her water. She said it's too hot out here. She's trying to look at her. She playing in it.
KOCO,
and this is KOCO. Hey, KOCO. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie KOCO. Hey. Hey, KOCO. There's Buddy playing with the water. He loves playing with the water. Absolutely loves it.
And he don't like baths though.
Yeah, but he doesn't like baths, but he loves to play in the water. He chases the water. Look at him. He's very athletic.
He had PARVO.
Yeah, this is the same dog he had PARVO when he was about 9 weeks. And we cured it.
Little mama had caught it right after him.
Yeah, little mama caught it right after him, but as you can see, we cured it and they're doing well now.
What? It's about like a
they're
year
both,
later?
Yeah, they're both about 1 year old now. Buddy's a little older than little mama.
Weeks.
Yeah, about a couple weeks, months or so. As y'all can see, he can really jump. KOCO. Hey, KOCO. Hey. Little mama. Little mama. Little mama. What are y'all doing? Huh? What are you doing? Getting dirty. Yeah, digging a hole. It was hot.
Dig a hole?
They was digging under there. It was hot. Come on, buddy, get it. Get it, buddy, get it. Oh, you went in the camera. Here's Kaylia. Say hi, Kaylia.
Don't put my hair in there. Don't put me on the camera. That's not forever. Take me off the camera.
Yeah. KOCO, stop it. Yeah. She over there in the shade, keeping cool, huh, mama? Little mama. Come here, mama. Come here, little mama. Little mama, come here. You keeping cool, huh? She's a black lab. She's a chocolate lab mix. She mixed with a pit bull. This Buddy's still having fun.
You don't like that.
Yep, this is the life. This is my life. KOCO. Hey, mama, you want to say hi? You want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi to the camera, little mama?